This is the M8. It's a really attractive women's fitness watch that gives you step count, calories burned, and distance traveled from a daily pedometer in here. You have heart rate and blood pressure reading capability. In addition, you have last night's sleep time and a robust sports section that will track your walks, your runs, your hiking, tennis, cycling, ping pong, basketball, football, and even swimming. You've got a timer built into it, and it can push messages directly to the watch from your phone or find your phone if you've lost it. You have 3 different themes that you can use for watch face, a brightness control, and of course the information for tethering. It's a really robust, thin, attractive women's fitness watch, the M8. Check it out.